In this video, we will show you how to split objects using the knife cut tool. The knife tool can be used to divide objects and even create bizarre shapes using portions of any object. Just draw a line over the object you want to cut in two pieces. This line will practically act as the knife's cutting edge. To apply the knife tool, you need to first select the fill object and then an open outline object, in this case, the line. Now, right-click and from the appearing menu use the knife option. The fill object is split at the points where it meets the outline object. Notice that using this line, you can cut multiple objects at once. Simply select the fill objects and the line and use the knife option. Both objects are now cut by the same line. By applying the knife tool, all shapes under the line you draw will be separated. One thing you should always have in mind is that the edges of the line must exceed the edges of the fill object, otherwise it can't fully cut the shape. You can also cut an object into multiple slices. You can do that either with a continuous line that passes over the object multiple times, or by creating multiple lines in sections. After creating the first line, right-click once, and any new line you create is added to the same object. Using this object as a cutting line, you can make multiple slices. Notice that if you have two or more lines that don't belong to the same object and you want to use them all as cutting lines, you need to first combine them. For more advanced cuts, for instance, when you want to cut exactly on top of this corner and not next to the corner, there is an easy way to achieve this. While creating the line, hold the Shift key down and add a cusp node on top of the point where you want the line to pass through. In this way, the line will cut exactly on top of the corner. Always have in mind that only open outlines can be used as cutting lines using the knife tool. So in this case, if you select the ellipse and the fitted shape, the knife option is not available. If you split the outline of the ellipse, though, the knife option becomes available as described. The knife tool is a very useful function which can save time and effort and even help you create unique shapes. Start experimenting with it today and come back for more.